welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat Kakiage udon. Kakiage is like tempura. So I'm just showing you. So I'm gonna eat with udon. This one. Inaniwa udon, so my favorite. I'm gonna eat. So making kakiage tempura, the serving on top, inaniwa udon. Okay, let's start cooking. So this one is shrimp, already peeled off and then putting up organ. Already took. So mix with onion and mitsuba. Okay. Thin sliced that. Tempura skin. So this one is tempura powder. I'm gonna use soda mixed together. So I'm using measure. So you better make a soda. Its texture is very crunchy. Better than water. Don't mix up too much. Like this, just like this. And so this part is very important. If you wanna make kakiage, shrimp and veggie, you better add it. Tempura powder a little bit. So this meaning is kind of like a glue mixed together and sticky each other. So this part is very important if you want to make a kakiage. Okay. So I'm using like a little special technique because I want to make a big size kakiage. So I using cooking sheet. This one is can using of microwave and another oven. It's using okay for the high temperature. It's a special seed, cooking seed. I think you can get easy in a regular supermarket. So I'm gonna make hole a little bit. fold. Also, I'm just make a ring. It's aluminum foil like this, and mix up tempura powder. Okay. Will sticky together. Shrimp on top. Adjust surface. Kakiage. Making nice style. This oil I set 180 degrees. Start the kakiage. Okay, done. This is serving dish. Udon soup. Already I made it. This. Then big kakiage. Like this. This is a little bit half boiled mitsuba. Okay, let's start it. This is shrimp, kakiage, inaniwa udon. So huge kakiage. Big kakiage. I just made big kakiage, shrimp kakiage. Add this soup. Yummy! Kakiage. Shrimp kakiage. My favorite. Dipping soup. いただきます。So good. So tasty. 何はうどんOh, I love inaniwa udon. Good texture. Also, I'm just put on shichimi. This one is yuzu flavored shichimi. Using Japanese citrus flavored shichimi. So good. It's easy to make if you get my technique. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.